Cool. Alright guys, this is what it is. What year is it, brother?
2018.
2018. Challenger SXT. Nice. 3.6 liter. Variable valve time. Man, look at all that yellow. This is bright colored, guys. This looks nice. It's got the black wheels. Look at this. Nice, nice, nice.
A little under 15,000 miles.
How much?
So it's a little under 15,000 miles.
15,000? Nice, nice, nice. Got the cold air. You see this right there? Very nice. Not too bad, guys. Let's get a look at the front here. Check it out. Black wheels. You got the halos in the front. Look at that. Nice, nice car, guys. I like this yellow. It is bright. This is loud. When this comes down the street, you don't have to make noise. It just looks loud. Looks fast. This is a nice car, guys. Let's give it a go around here. You would to back it out right here and we go all the way around it without this other car. We get a real good look at it. Yeah, and you can leave the hood down. Ooh, he's got the scoops in the hood too. Nice. This car is cool, guys. Not the big V8. It doesn't have to be. Still a cool car, guys. Nice and bright. Good shape. Ooh, yeah. Danny's got the pack on it. Yeah, look at that. Gorgeous, guys. Ooh, yeah. He opens that door and all you see is the bright yellow just come alive off that black. Nice. Dude, this black and yellow is sharp, man. I like this.
Yeah, black top trim package.
Yeah, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Nice. And it's all matte black too, isn't it? Nice. Ooh, I see you got, what is it, the Dodge Sport or whatever, the two little swipes on the wheels. Heck yeah, guys. He doesn't have a whole lot of time to hang out with us, guys. He's nice enough to give us a walk around. Look at this. Look at these headlights. Freaking awesome, man. Definitely a nice car. We'll give it a peek inside. Check this out in here. Man, the yellow just pops everywhere. Oh yeah. Sharp, sharp, guys. We're not going to intrude the privacy too much here, but it's clean in here. Look at that. He's got the nice screen. Everything. Look at that. Digital dash. 160 up there. Definitely nice, guys. Definitely, definitely nice. Cool car. What's that?
It's your bill.
Oh, right on.
I'm bringing the keys.
Right on. Thank you. That's awesome, man. Awesome, awesome. We'll go around here. I'll end the video in the front. Thanks a lot, man. You can check your video out on Facebook on Trap My Ride. If you go to the page, that's where you'll be.
Sounds good, brother. Take it easy.
All right, cool. We'll get to driving out of here.
Hey. You out of here?
Yeah, a little bit. I wouldn't do too much, but a little bit. There you go, guys. Pretty good for V6.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.